Hey everybody, Ben with WTI here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the TECKNET Bluetooth wireless mouse for Mac laptops. If you're like me, you still prefer a mouse over the finger pad. And here's a couple of things that I like about this one in particular. So first, I love how sleek it is. I mean, it's like the normal Mac mouse, but it has the scroll wheel, which I appreciate very much. Now this is what you use to charge it. You could also just use this little dongle here, but again, this is wireless, and that's the whole point. You don't have to have anything connected to any of your ports. And like you see, it's nice and smooth, and you can just use it like you would any regular mouse. So if you got a Mac laptop and you're looking for a mouse, I definitely recommend the TECKNET Bluetooth wireless mouse for Mac laptops, and that's my point of view.